Have you ever wondered about the earliest human attempts to establish a truly fair and balanced system of justice? It is a fascinating journey through history to see how societies first grappled with ensuring punishment fit the crime. Lex Talionis, a Latin term meaning the law of retaliation, was a foundational principle in ancient legal systems that ensured proportionality and justice by dictating that punishment should be equivalent to the inflicted harm. This principle, famously articulated as a tooth for a tooth, aimed to precisely match the penalty to the transgression, preventing either excessive or insufficient retribution. The core mechanism behind Lex Talionis was its emphasis on a direct, reciprocal relationship between the offense and the punishment. It was not primarily about promoting blind vengeance but rather about setting a strict limit on what was permissible as a response to wrongdoing. Imagine a society where disputes could escalate indefinitely. Lex Talionis stepped in to draw a clear line. By stating that if someone caused a certain injury, they would suffer an identical injury, it created a predictable and understandable framework for justice. This often applied specifically to harm against those of equal social status, illustrating early considerations of societal hierarchy within legal frameworks. In practice, this meant that ancient legal codes, such as the Code of Hammurabi from Babylon, would prescribe specific punishments that mirrored the crime. For example, if a builder constructed a house that collapsed and killed the owner, the builder could be put to death. If it killed the owner's son, the builder's son could be put to death. This provided a concrete guideline for judges and citizens alike, clearly defining the boundaries of permissible retaliation and moving away from arbitrary acts of revenge. While sometimes literal, the principle was also applied symbolically, ensuring the value of the restitution or penalty matched the value of the loss. What is particularly insightful about Lex Talionis is its role in the evolution of legal thought. It marked a significant step beyond unregulated tribal blood feuds, where retaliation could spiral out of control. It introduced a concept of measured justice, where the state or community had a clear standard to uphold. It served as a primitive form of deterrent and a means of restoring balance, not necessarily focused on the intent of the perpetrator, but squarely on the physical act and its consequence. This strict accounting for harm laid essential groundwork for later legal principles. Ultimately, Lex Talionis provided ancient societies with a vital framework for maintaining order and ensuring a tangible sense of fairness. By establishing a clear, often literal, connection between crime and punishment, it instilled a sense of controlled justice, limiting cycles of violence and setting a precedent for the structured legal systems we see today. It was a powerful tool for balancing societal needs for both restitution and the prevention of escalating conflict.